All right, good morning, happy homeowners over here in Villa Park, Orange County. And we've got a different one today. I started hardwood floors in 1982, never seen this. But check this out, we're doing demo day. Demo day Saturday morning. And so they had a slab leak, and wood and water don't mix. But what has happened is this wood has grown and expanded so much it is squeezing the sap or the glue that, look at that, I've never seen it. It's just oozing out like was it the Beverly Hillbillies, where he shoots the ground, starts bubbling up with oil, except this ain't oil. And they've been living like this longer than they deserve. And we're here on a Saturday morning because I want to get this out so they can at least use this room for Thanksgiving without tracking this crazy glue everywhere. But you see how dark the wood is from the moisture underneath or something? This is what it used to look like. Look at that. And you can see where he gradually, watch, you'll see this, watch. Starts turning black right there where the moisture underneath is. But once we get it up, I'll do another video, but never seen this. All right, guys, enjoy it.